So this time we're going to have a look at February 2018. It's the double award physics and it's the higher tier we're doing. And you can see up in the corner here it's the new specification. So the specification changed in 2017-18. So this is one of the papers. So prior to that they will be slightly different, but it's still the same physics. So the first question is on energy and power. And the energy that they're discussing this time is potential energy. So we'll just start off with a quick mind map to rekindle old flames here. Energy. And again, the key to all of that would be measured in joules. After James Prescott joule, and 1,000 joules is known as a kilojoule. So the energy they're talking about this time, we'll just put this in here. There, energy and work's the same thing. So if energy is measured in joules, so is work. And always remember, work beats brains when brains won't work. So you can be as bright as a button and you don't do any work. You'll have to do as well as the poor old slogger. So energy, we're going to look at potential energy. And that's energy due to position. And it's given by the formula M by G by H, where that's measured in kilos. G is measured in 10 meters per second squared, and the height's measured in meters. And again, the energy is measured in joules, and it's energy due to position. That's what potential energy is. So the next, this question always sort of links, is power. And power is the rate of doing work. And I keep telling you that rate means divided by time. So it's work over time. So power is equal to energy over time. All the same thing. And power is measured in watts. Famous scientist as well, and did a lot of work on steam engines and stuff like that. And 1 watt is 1 joule in 1 second, which is 1 watt equals 1 joule per second. And that would get us through this question. So again, there's a mind map. This will do this question. You have to sit down and learn that. So if you don't know the equation, may as well not bother. Don't know that energy is measured in joules, don't bother. Don't know power is measured in watts, guess what? Don't bother. So we're going to do the question and see can we get the marks. So we'll just set that aside. And we'll read the question. A monkey climbs a tree. Isn't that a beautiful little monkey up the tree? Isn't it wonderful? The monkey has a mass of 2.5 kilos, not a very fat monkey. Calculate the potential energy of the monkey when it's at a height of 12 meters. Now, look at the mark scheme. 3 marks. So the first one, PE equals M by G by H. You see the way it's on the mind map? Is it in your head? Takes time to learn, takes practice to study. Stick that in a roundy bracket. So if you also look at the mind map, kilos, 10 meters per second squared planet Earth, we assume the monkey's on the planet Earth, and then the height is in meters. So the monkey's 2.5. Again, I'm putting the numbers in the right place. See, look, there's the mass. G's the planet Earth, 10, and there's the height. So I'll get the calculator. 2.5 by 10 by 12 gives me 300. So that's 300, and it already gives me the units. So I'll just check that. 2.5 by 100 by 12, 300 joules. So there's the answer. And do we get the 3 marks? 1, 2, 3. Another monkey does it. So don't forget the old trick of the examiner. They'll give you You think it's the same one, but it's not. Another monkey does 8,000 joules of work climbing a tree. Calculate the power developed by the monkey if it takes 40 seconds to climb the tree. So, go back to the mind map again. Power is rate of doing work, work done over time, energy over time. Watts. 3 marks I'm looking here. I'm looking 3 marks. So, power equals energy over time. I'm going to stick that in a roundy bracket. So what's the energy? 8,000 over the time, 40. So calculator, 8,000 divided by 40, 200. 200 watts. Just check it again. 8,000 divided by 40, 200 watts. 200 watts. 3 marks. 1 mark. 2 marks. 3 marks. Check the mark scheme. Always have a mark scheme beside you. No point doing questions you don't have an answer. Look, I got 6 marks of that. And that's what you should be aiming for. Do every question that you can. Do it properly. See you in question number 2.